Yo, what's up? Me good, yeah, good vote. What I say, good vote. It is the admin page in here. So we log in with admin page. Admin we can do everything. It's our login admin page now. This is the good history. Buy, sell, redeem gifts. Where gifts. To this side, over this side, so all shipment. We have all shipment pending, processing, ship, in transit, delivered, cancellation. Since the case are your one shipment to her already. So let's say 1, 2, 3. Remember, remember log in with user page, This is the user page. Let's keep this side. Let's keep this user page. This is the user page. So by user page now, your price tracker. That's the good price, the current good price. That is the current gold price. Now, my portfolio, that one is supposed to be the balance, the gold hood. What I said, that one's supposed to be the gold hood. In a deposit, no. That's where you are going to deposit money. Maybe I like, maybe 1% open a deposit, and I say, do more good, and I know pay deposit, but mostly good room that I buy and I sell, but mostly, my yama buy sell just for good food and shipment. Redeem is redeem good. I shall say redeem good. It is the same as requesting for withdrawal. See click dashboard in the dashboard in the has I'll say request shipment. I say request shipment. Down where shipment that physical good shipping. So we click this side. Let's say we are going to request for shipping, good shipping. Balance our good be 34 gram. Let's say name and fill it. Let's say address in the will be ashamed like that. Hey, origin, not hey destination. Let's say go to this side. About say I'm feeling the same way. Has seen over choose good type bar and as a coin. It's supposed to be good bar. Tiba o balance a woman and Cassani or 34. It is for let's say 20 gram. Yes. Let's say quality. Let's say 2. Let's say 2. Wait, so 32 no. 32, let's say 20,000. See how no. That's including insurance. The shipping method, or standard, but expected delivery. Let's put it in 10th. So it's a special instruction. Let's leave it that way. So click for shipment requesting. So the shipment had been sent. Also, I send it. Once a requesting, my sending request. There's a pending. Also pending admin review. So we'll click it. I see now. We'll click it. I see now. On the transaction ID in our hand. Correct in our I Correct in our type of good Into price ne good ne price equivalent to the value ne over trade or or say pending calculation had the shipping or shipping charges ne insurance ne bibia what I say always say status admin tracking or admin or tracking is say mostly maybe there so one admin accept here tracking and say admin accept for request now before I will track every show I see the requested date now I see so this is new behind our so I say approved I say or see other praise it's supposed to be admin there about approve it. So let's go to the admin dashboard. Let's refresh the page. Yes. It's about doing dashboard. I say amount in a good in our request in BBA, fee in BBA pending. Here is the case. I was not tracking or so not signed. So about details. I don't remember details has here. I don't remember details are then over enter shipping amount. What else over enter shipping amount? Let's say let's say 1,000 for shipping amount, total shipment based on the weight and the destination. Shipping charges. Let's use it that way. Same thing. Paid by the user. Remark no yɛ optional. Remarks in the na all free say what they show and how they are show. What I say. Let's approve it. In terms of me approve it or me approve it order no. Let's see. Me approve it order or me approve it good, Shipping charges now I say no shipping fee, you understand? $1,000. And tracking, also my approve it awaiting payment. So payment supposed to be paid before. So back I say now, I bet say awaiting payment. I was to pay fee $1,000. Nti nipa no yɛ transaction we or receive a transaction I know what tia or mia wa request for tia for pay. Nti also make sure so what receive the answer by this side. Once was the payment confirmed. Here is the case. Our payment confirmed. Let's go to create shipping or wait to call processing. After processing, wait to call pack. Let's move to processing. Carrier, let's use this one. Location, let's say New York. Tracking number, no, it's not approved. What I say, tracking number there, it's not approved. It's method date, let's use this one. So this one, no. Approved by the waiting payment. No. It's a remark no pay delete. And I say remark no. Opia obe janus opia obe tray bibi and so be remark no so be show. So let's see updates. Let's update the shipment. Still tracking number no and buy because good is not shipment and creative shipping. Creative shipping I've been tracking. Where was the pack? My pack, yeah, packing good, all right. Now let's update it to shipment created. Shipment created. This is the case that shipment created. Who choose shipment created now? Or tracking number automatically. Let's see, shipment created. Yes, also created shipment created. No, tracking number any tracking number in our bahasi. No, it's no panel refresh the page now. Won't see actually say shipment created. Tracking number in our bahasi. Also first not tracking number in hasi. So let's say on say already follow we na then hasi from other place approve that's approve awaiting payment your payment and now about payment confirm processing packed in about or two that was as soon as now but choose shipment created na which you see shipment created na or say tracking number and generate automatically until has never awaiting for pickup. Awaiting for pickup no. Sorry, awaiting for pickup no supposed to be. Let's jump to pickup. Yes. Let's jump to pickup. See, the order has been picking up. So let's click. Yes, order na pick it. Once the time will be changing. So order na pick it. A pick order. It hasn't been in transit. So order na pick up. I'll bet me depending how I format it. So bet me hold on. Bet me hold on. I can cry and I say straight to in transit or arrive at sorting facility. That one there. Maybe arrive at sorting facility, location, with me, and I say like the same location. Over, I don't know. Sorry, you said number click Hasina. Once I know, so say arrive at sorting facility. Into departed, it was also at ask for delivery. This how to delivery. A friend is delivery signature sign delivery confirm. Into you know how I'm missing. I don't know. Make me add now. Person with the maybe shipment has been held as custom. Shipment is into what he do with custom. And then what the remark. Remark in has you know this is a this is a remark. So we now we are doing so over my remark no. Maybe the reason say yeah hold you was custom no. Yeah hold you know. Oh but at the remark maybe I do to insurance and I say Opia urban transit sorting departed. After departed meet me I did this thing I had a friend saying insurance needed, and I say insurance need to be paid. And I say, yeah, didn't say I had it and we hold, you know, insurance will say it's your insurance and say a movie forward. Like any maybe our person with the shall be I met me then a put in. And I saw one guy and I'll be me then a put in that one then a obi one guy so bit me the aka one guy so bit me I do inside now so bit me add it. One guy so bit me add it or side. No. One so bad. One so bit me add it. Add it. So let's go to shipment and go to shipped. Ship name. A movie of shipped. Let's arrive at sorting center. Let's go. Yanko track it. Our page ankasa. And track your page. Let's move it down. Let's see now the page in our share. Yes. Until we bet me I track it good no without say wait me track a shipment. Without so be login account inside. Once I say me man share and feeling baby. Then I was say shipping information. What I say where you sender receiver the declared value now I say you know insurance yes preferred delivering the 10th May. Yes, arrival has it. So make me add it. No, so but to keep your tracking normal confidential. Only share it with trusted recipients. You understand? To just say it. Where your friends be good, but it may sound another one man like and also may say another voice may say video attach it.